Nice and sunny out, so I figured I'd do a quick update on tree work here at the yard. Still got a hanger up here I need to get out that I created. Gonna cut that one all off and all the branches on that one. Probably end up taking the whole tree down there. Got a bunch of metal for the barn, everything to do the bottom, the wainscoting. Got a big old trailer load of insulation. Put on between the girts, those horizontal boards. Got all my headers in. All our asphalt, crushed asphalt spread. This is a wood pile where it's at now. Log pile, out front anyway. And no, that's not my falling cut right there. Although I've done some that look that way or worse. Picked up all this wood out of the neighbors. Most of that short stuff there. Big elms all out of here. All those little trees. Took that hickory out that was up there. Got it all seeded out here and growing. Got most of the leaves all cleaned up yesterday. Neighbor just had back surgery, so we were over. They dropped his tree here that was going across the drive. Sorry about the sun there. Even though this is on our side of the drive, he owns this side up to close to the telephone pole there. That tree was leaning over into this one. This tree guys came a couple days ago and got that all down. Made a heck of a mess. We got it all cleaned up for him yesterday. Cleaned up his backyard back here as well. Still more to do, but so we had all those stumps that I ground out of this whole area and whatnot. It's turning out pretty nice. Same thing with up by the barn. There's where that maple was. Grass is a little slower back here. I'll get some topsoil on all this. I've got some spots that need more. And when I dropped this cherry, she kind of dented the yard a little bit, but it's coming in, slow but sure. See the trees that are still leaning back here. Those are all gonna have to get taken care of probably this winter. See that one with the top broke out. That's from the storm that hit us in 2019. Same thing with that shorter one right over here. Got a few out of here already. You can see the one hanging there. That's over on the neighbor's property. We'll get that taken care of. This is all the stuff we cleaned up yesterday out at his place. Big old pile. That's gonna get torched soon. Got that cherry and that oak that were across the trail here cleared off the trail. We can get that cleaned up another time. Not a big deal. More stuff for this winter. Access to the pond project. is opened. So that's nice. If I do get a skid, I can come back in here if I rent one. Need a track skid to get in and out of there. My tractor won't do it no more. So yeah, there's a good mess right there to clean up. Got the one out of the pond. I think that was probably the last video I did, something like that. I got the stump all loosened up over there from the one that was in the pond. Got some nice rounds that can get hauled right into the house. Got lots of deer tracks through here. But yeah, here's, we lost a couple of nice maples. A pair of maples there on the right. Nice red oak, another nice size locust, and a bigger locust over there to the right of those two maple. This is one of the next areas I had planned on cleaning up. I've got a bunch of junk on the ground here, and then this stump left from a hollowed out cherry. Now we got this locust, a couple more pieces of broken down oak back there on the ground. The deer have just been tearing the heck out of this area back here. They were out here this morning. Pretty much out here every day. Oh, there's a turkey track. Good to see they're out here. So yeah, I got this little cherry to drop down, and that red oak that's leaning back there. Big old chunk of red oak. That guy's big for a branch. 30-inch, 25, 30-inch branch, something like that. The deer seem to like walking underneath this tree for some reason. I think you're supposed to walk under it, so we'll walk under it just because, you know. Sun is not doing my camera any favors when it shines right on that lens. But yeah. There you go. There's where we're at the homestead here, guys. Hope you're having a blessed day.